Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your website with Tsohost, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin recovering your website with Tsohost, log in to your Tsohost account. Navigate to the control panel dashboard. Locate the domains section. Select the domain associated with the website you want to recover. Click on Manage next to your chosen domain. In the management screen, look for the Backups option. Check if auto backups are available for your account. If auto backups are enabled, select the most recent backup date. Click on the Restore button. Confirm the restoration process. Wait for the process to complete. Once finished, you'll receive a notification about the status. If you don't see a recent backup, consider checking your FTP access. Open your FTP client and log in using your credentials. Browse to the folder where your website files are stored. Check if any recent uploads or changes are saved. If you have any alternate backups stored locally, upload those files. After uploading, ensure all essential files are intact. Next, check your database if your site uses one. Log into phpMyAdmin from the control panel. Locate your database in the list. Check for available backups or restoration points. If a backup exists, select it and choose the option to restore. Once the database restoration is complete, return to your website. Clear your browser cache to ensure you're viewing the latest version. Visit your website to confirm that it's functioning correctly. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Tsohost support for further assistance. Make sure to document any steps taken during the process for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.